The 2009 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, tachometer, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.